Hello everyone, welcome back. We have been feeling like the world is moving little too fast lately. I'm here to tell you it's about to get much faster. Today's video is inspired by a viral post in X called Something Big is Happening. It has been ripping through the industry this week. This isn't just another look at this new future update. It is essentially a weather report from the front lines of AI. The core message is simple. We are currently living in the calm before the storm. Think back to February 2020. Life felt normal, but the underlying reality of the world had already shifted. Most of us just didn't realize it yet. Right now, the gap between the what public thinks AI is, a buggy hallucinating chatbot, and what is actually happening in the labs right now, that gap is a dangerous chasm. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why the rules of professional work are already being rewritten, how AI is now building itself, an exact roadmap you need to thrive in a world where knowledge work as we know it is ending. Let's jump in. There is a transition happening right now that most people outside the tech haven't felt yet. The move from AI as a tool to AI as an agent. For years, we have used AI to help us write an email or fix the line of code, but we have crossed the threshold. We are now seeing researchers describe their Mondays where they no longer build, they direct. Imagine describing a complex app in plain English, walking away from your computer for 4 hours, coming back to find tens of thousands of lines of code finished, tested, and perfect. The AI didn't just follow the prompt, it showed the judgment. It opened the app itself, clicked the buttons like a user would, found flaws, wiped the code to fix them until it met its own standards. This is the part that would have been unthinkable a year ago. If you are a developer, a designer, or an architect, you need to realize the era of guiding the AI is ending. The era of AI executing the entire project is here. So, why is this acceleration suddenly so vertical? It's because of the flywheel. This month, OpenAI released a model called 5.3 Codex, and they revealed something monumental. This specific model is instrumental in creating itself. Researchers are using current models to debug the training, manage the deployment, and diagnose the test results of the next generation of models. Think about the implications of that. For 60 years, the speed of AI progress was limited by how fast human researchers could type or think. Now we have an intelligence explosion. Each generation of AI being used to build the next one, which is smarter, writes better code, and builds the next version even faster. The feedback loop is gathering steam every single month. When you hear experts say AI will be smarter than most humans at almost all tasks by 2027, this is the mechanism that gets us there. So the author of this expose, Matt, was definitely direct with you because everybody deserves honesty more than comfort. Nothing that can be done on computer is safe in the medium term. This isn't just the previous waves of automation. When factories automated, workers moved to offices. But AI is a general substitute for cognition. It gets better at everything simultaneously. If the core of what you do is reading, writing, or making decisions through a keyboard, that safe period is shrinking. This isn't a prediction for 10 years out. Insiders are saying underlying capability for massive disruption is arriving this year. So, how do you become the one person who shines? You start by being more flexible, more adaptable. The people who will struggle the most are the ones who dismiss this as a fad or feel that using AI diminishes their expertise. The smartest leaders in the world aren't too proud to spend hours a day with these models. They are doing it because they understand what's at stake. And here is your roadmap. Spend 1 hour every single day pushing AI to do your hardest work. Not quick Google searches, your actual work. For example, feed it that 50-page report and ask it to find the 3 biggest risks your team missed. Or give it a complex contract and ask the strategic counter proposal. Use Cloud Code to build a prototype of an idea you have been putting off for months. If you do this every day for next few months, you will understand the new world better than 99% of the people around you. The bar is on the floor right now. Most people are ignoring this and this is your window. Well, I want to leave with how Matt ends his piece in this expost. He says that we are officially past that point where this is just an interesting dinner conversation about the future. The reality is the future is already here. It just hasn't knocked on your door yet, but it's about to. He wrote this because he believes the people we care about deserve to hear what's coming, even it sounds a little crazy right now. The single biggest advantage you can have is simply being early to understand it and early to adapt. So take that 1 hour today. Don't wait for the headline to tell you it's too late to get ahead. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone you want to see thrive in this transition. Thank you so much for watching this far. I'll see you in the next one.